Okay, you're welcome back. So we are going to continue from where we stopped. We are going to work on the product slider and advert section. Okay, so if you look at our sketch here, see the slider, how it is, and advert section too. Okay, so first of all, we're going to create a division, two division first. Then we're going to create another division, another two division inside this division to get this the way it is now. Okay, so let's quickly do it. Let's do it. So we're going to go to HTML, to index section. Then we'll move down to product slider. Okay, product slider and adverts. Yeah, this is where we're going to start working. Okay. Okay, now let's quickly start. So we'll delete this. Then we first of all create the first division. We'll call it product slider or slider container. Okay, then we have to come and create another division. We are going to call it advert container. Advert container. Okay, so this advert container, inside it will have two containers, two division as well. Here inside it, we're going to call it maybe add adverts or add content, advert content. Yeah, I like using container and content. It's okay for me. Then same with this, we're going to duplicate this. Okay, before we duplicate it, inside here we are going to, first of all, we are going to put image inside this. Okay, but later we are going to change it to advert. We are advert image we are going to create, but we are going to just get any advert image at all, any image, and put here for now. Okay, so we're going to just get image tag, img tags src, then images. Okay, maybe we'll call it advert one dot jpg. I have not created this image yet. I've not gotten any image called advert one. I will soon go to get it. I'll duplicate this. Okay, so call this one advert 2. Okay, just copy this image here, put here, maybe maybe call it product one. So you see we have image in the main slider, image and then the two slider. So this is the HTML structure. Okay, yes, I will now go to search for advert. I'm going to add there. I'll just say product advert. Search for any product advert. Okay, let me look for one that is maybe horizontal. All these ones are vertical. Okay, look at this one. This is the kind of advert I'm looking for. Let's take this one. I will save it, save as. Now go to where I have the project. Okay, go to drive C, go to XAMPP, HD docs, good, then online shop, put it inside here. Okay, for now. So I'm gonna call it product one. Okay, no, advert one. Okay, all right, so we have to look for another advert. I think this one will serve. Okay, this one will serve. It's not actually advert, but we're gonna use it just to for the time being. Okay, just to fast track what's our project. Okay, so you save it. Then you're going to call it advert 2. Okay, yes. Then finally, we're going to get another one. Maybe you're gonna let's get product electronics, or fashion. Let's get fashion because I'm actually working on fashion shop. Say fashion, fashion design. Maybe let me see what we get from here. Okay, okay. I think this one will start for me. Let's take this one for now. Okay, let me look for another one. This one seems to be exposing her body, and I am against exposing our body, so let me not use it. Let me look for a better one. Those that are not exposing their bodies. I think this one's gives me what I want. Perfect. Perfect. At least they're real human and makes sense too. Then I will choose them. Awesome. So this one we're gonna call it product one. Product one. JPG. Awesome. So we've saved these and everything is quite great, and we're getting there gradually. No wasting of time. Let's check what we have. So if you watch, you see that the product, the images we inserted are here. This one, all of them are in here. Great. So the next thing is to work on styling them to make them look great. Okay. All right. Let's check our structure, our HTML structure quickly. So the first thing we're going to do, then this is the description, main description. So we are going to first of all make this to be flex container. That's the first thing we're going to do. So let's quickly get there, and we're going to go down. Okay, this other section started. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create another section. I'm going to call it slider section, product slider section. Okay, product slider section. Product slider section. Okay. Okay, then display flex. Okay. Display flex. Yes, it will. Flex will put them side by side. Good. They are now side by side. The next thing now we are going to um work on them the way we want. First of all, let me look at the structure again. So what we're going to do, this uh, particular main slider container, I'm going to give it a flex. Okay, I'm going to first of all give this advert container a width. Then I will now make this one flex 1 to stretch it. I will give this a width. So I'm going to say flex basis. Flex basis. Flex basis. It will give it let's give it 300 pixel. Okay, then let's make this one, sorry, let's make it flex 1. Okay, yes, flex, give you 1. Good. Okay, so let's see what we have now. The flex basis. Okay, let's work on the image of this. This 300 pixel flex basis. Okay, container advert. Now let's work on this. It will help us to put the image where it should be. Okay, so yeah, we're going to make this uh width 100%, 100%. So it will take the width of the container, then overflow hidden, overflow hidden. Okay, then we're going to make it actually we're going to, since you're going to give it a height anyway. Later we'll come back to this. Let's get the image, adjust the image weight. So we say advert container img. Okay, advert container img, give it width 100%, height 100%, or just width 100% will serve for the purpose for now. We'll come back to it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so you see this has adjusted to the size we gave to it, because this image is not big enough to cover this. It stops here, and I'm going to stretch the image to cover this area. Maybe I will add this more size. Maybe I will make it 400 pixels to get here. Then I will now make this the image to cover this period, at least to get to this point. Okay. We are going to, even though this image is blurred a bit, but we are going to manage it for now. Okay, later we are going to, it has to be changed later. Okay, now what we're going to do now is, let's make this 400, 400, and then we'll go to slider container. I believe, let's check, let me check the structure again. Okay, slider container, I think that is it. Slider container image, we're going to make it we're going to make slider container image 100%, so that it will cover it will stretch to the edge, to the end of the container. Okay, so let's do that with 100%. Yeah, so let's check it. So you see it cover it stretched and then got to this point. Okay, so another thing we're going to do is that we're going to give height. Actually, there's a way I'm going to do it so that it will be the height will be, what do you call it, it will be proportional. So in such a way that if I'm adjusting the size of this window. Okay, if I'm adjusting it, it will be adjusting by itself. Okay, I think that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's see how it works. We continue in the next tutorial, looking at the time. All right, in the next tutorial we'll continue. Thank you very much.